says a side dish can't be a real showstopper?
Sautéed spinach and white beans are a match made in heaven.
They're so good, they may just steal the show. They really are. They're so good, they should be the show.
I could eat them without anything else on my plate.
I know. We'll talk about that in a little bit. Okay, I got a nice big skillet here. I've got 2 tablespoons of olive oil that I have heated over heated over medium heat, and I'm going to crank up my heat here. And I've got, you want to have a nice garlic flavor to this. It really enhances the spinach, and the beans. So
I'm not doing anything again today because because I'm still getting over this cold. But
all of you guys have been so sweet about wishing us.
I know. Thank you, guys.
Someone blame me for giving you my cold, but anyway, it may be true. Okay, we're going to let this simmer till it gets kind of nice and golden, and that's going to be about 3 minutes. Okay, so you see how this is just starting to turn golden.
Toasted garlic. It smells so amazing.
It does. You just have to be careful. It'll burn very quickly.
Don't burn it, yeah.
Because if you burn it, then it tastes acrid and it's bad. Okay, now that we're going to add a little heat, you can add as much or as little as you like. I did a half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. I'm going to go ahead and season this up with a teaspoon of salt. We do a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and just get that flavoring in there. I know. Now let's get that.
There's like 4 ingredients.
It's so easy. And then we've got a half a cup of good quality chicken broth or chicken stock, or you could use vegetable, keep it vegetarian. And now it's just so easy. It just comes together so quickly. Let's go ahead and dump. This is how much? This is
12 ounces.
12 ounces.
I am doing something.
Yeah. That is spinach. This is just regular mature spinach that has, I've removed the seeds. I can't talk today. I've removed the stems. You may be saying, I like to cook with baby spinach, and I do too. I don't know. Baby spinach is great for salads. For cooking and sautéing, I love using just the full-grown
spinach.
And this is going to cook down, and we can go ahead and put those beans in now too.
These are 2 cans of white beans.
Yeah, just in like Great Northern, cannelloni, navy beans. Canned is so easy. I drain them. And literally, you guys, that's all there is to this. And we're just going to let this simmer down.
Now wait. Now if you want to dress it up a bit, you could put some sausage in there.
It becomes like a one-pot meal.
Totally.
You could add some sausage.
Add some sausage. I said to Chris, you could probably just add some vegetable stock and have kind of like a leafy soup kind of thing.
A spinach and bean soup. Yeah, you could. It'd be delicious. Okay, we're going to cook this until this spinach completely wilts down, and then it's really almost time to eat.
I love it.
Okay, and you see, and just like that has wilted down. The smell is off the charts good. Now I'm going to add.
I can smell it. My nose is plugged.
I know. So now beans just beg for a little vinegar, and so whatever is your favorite. I love malt vinegar.
You're a malt vinegar fanatic.
I don't cook with it that often. I drown my fish and chips in it. But there's just something about it that works so good with these beans.
I know. It's really crazy.
It really is crazy. It's cray-cray. Okay, so now we're ready to serve. And the cool thing about this is you saw how easy it was to get together. You can do this in advance and then just reheat it. We nibble on this. Well, we eat it all in one sitting, usually. But it's really good the next day, too. It's so good, even eating it cold is good.
Oh, come on. Serve me up.
And I think this
is just those beans they're just so hearty.
They are. I think this is good if you do have a cold, right?
Yes, totally.
All right. I mean, we're basically.
I love that. And I love that you put the red pepper flakes in there.
Yeah. Again, Wesley really likes a little extra heat on this. So half a teaspoon gives you just a little bit, but if you like a lot of heat, go with a teaspoon.
Y'all, a little bit of Italian sausage never hurt anybody.
I know.
Okay. Let me make sure everybody can see you.
Yeah. I want everyone to see me.
See your food.
Okay, I know, exactly. Oh, look at that. This alongside some pork, chicken, you name it.
Yes. All right,
okay, let's go in.
I am, once again, I'm starving.
I know.
Chapter, the title of my book. Okay.
Not amazing.
It is ridiculous.
Such simple little ingredients come together to make so scrumptious.
Y'all, Is it healthy? Could this be healthy?
Yeah,
Good.
it's not unhealthy. I mean, it's got a little olive oil.
See, folks, we're giving you something healthy.
So when we're filming this, if you're watching this right after we publish it, it's the start of the year. Everyone's like, I gotta eat healthy.
Everybody's like,
we're in the
please
same,
do a salad.
and we're in the same boat. So this is a good start.
Oh, y'all, one more bite. Oh. That is 100%, 100,000% Luna proof.
That's good. Now for a side dish, we're here to get that is good, you guys.
Wow.
All right. Make this, be happy. Have a healthy, happy New Year. If you're watching it at the beginning of the year, we love you.
We love you, and keep watching and tell your friends and yeah.
Make spinach and beets.
Yeah.
All right, bye everybody.